Yo guys, welcome back to the shop. I am George and this is You Wanna Watch. Today we're going to be cleaning up this Stanley multi-tool. I say we jump right into it. Let's go. Alrighty guys, well this is the little Stanley multi-tool or hand drill, whatever you want to call it. I've seen these online. They're calling them a 305 multi-tool. This does not have any model number on there. All I can see, let me grab my cheater, is New Britain, Stanley Sweetheart, Connecticut, USA. That's it. It's the only thing it says. I think this thing is absolutely awesome. The outside of it is in really good shape, to be honest with you. The bits, they definitely need a bit of work, some love. It's at 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got 10, and there is 12 holes. So we're missing 2. It's not too terrible. I definitely want to just clean this. I think this thing is really cool. I think the brass will clean up nicely. Of course, the steel will clean up. I think these bits will clean up really nice too. And of course the ferrule. I gotta be easy with the ferrule. The nickel finish on there is coming off. You can see it on the edge. I don't know if that's even showing up. You can see the brass coming through that finish. Don't know what I'm going to do. I might just use a Dremel with like a cotton tip on there and maybe some polish or something and just clean it that way. Hopefully it preserves what little bit of coating is still on there. The wood, I think I want to clean the wood. I don't want to sand it. I don't want to do anything like that. I just want to clean it. So, like I said, this is a Sweetheart showpiece here, and I don't want to do anything to ruin it. But these will definitely have to be wire wheeled down, and we'll do that now. Let's go. I'm going to start with the little slotted tip. Let's get this cleaned up. Alright, we're going to throw these right into the deoxy, throw them on the wood stove. It is so cold. We got to do something, guys. Try and boil these up a little bit. At least get the solution warmer. So, let me go do that, and we'll start with the ferrule. We're going to put a little bit of polish on this. See what happens. Hopefully I can clean it up with this. Because like I said, I don't want to take the, what is that, chrome or nickel finish off this. So we're just going to try and hit it with some Wenol. If you guys know, you know. Not going to go crazy with the speed. let's give the old wipe down. See what we got here. Oh, much nicer. Yeah, much nicer. I can live with that. And I didn't take off any more of that, I don't know, nickel chrome finish on there. That is cool. I'm quite happy with that. Double check, make sure there is no other markings on this. Because everything I saw online, it said 305. No markings at all, guys. It's just Stanley Sweetheart. Well, it's New Britain, Stanley Sweetheart, Connecticut, USA. That's it. I'm going to do it real quick. Clean on the inside real fast, and we'll move on to the other bits of it. Try and preserve what we've got. Right now, this is about preservation, not restoration, you know. I don't see this stuff too often, so. Yeah, that looks much nicer. Much, much nicer. Alright, now we got to figure out what we're going to do for the handle. I like the color that's on there. I like the light wear pattern around the edge. I think we're going to wax it. That's what I think we're going to do. Right, all the bits are done. Kind of left them on there a little long. That was 15 minutes. Kind of scorched the pan a little bit, but that'll be alright. It's just going to be a pan for putting the deoxy stuff in and doing a real quick clean to them, you know. Alrighty, well, the wood came out absolutely fantastic. Quite happy with that. Real silky smooth. The brass cleaned up really nice. Everything looks real good on there. I am happy. Well, I see we start putting all these little bits back in there. The bits cleaned up brilliant too, man. Cooking them in that deoxy really helped. Set all the needly ones right here. Probably screwdrivers on this side. pry bar, our little tack puller. We'll sit right there. Got a very loud cat in the neighborhood. I don't know what's going on with that thing. Don't know if you guys can hear it or not. And right there. Look at that. Yeah, they cleaned up nice. There it is. The little multi-tool. Unfortunately, when it's closed, you'll never see the brass. But I know it's all cleaned up. That's what matters, you know. Sweet. And that's it for this one. Alrighty guys, well the little Stanley Sweetheart multi-tool came out really, really nice. I am ultra happy with that. Really happy with the way that this thing came out. I say we go find a nice spot and put it on the wall. Let's go. That's nice. Alrighty guys, the Stanley multi-tool, I think it came out really, really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed it. That's it for this one. Like always, stay safe, be safe, and we will see you next week with another. Bye.